Hello, lovely viewers. This is your girl Evee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Sharing with you my secret to my massive weight loss without exercising, and that's I drink this turmeric tea every morning as my breakfast, and it has really helped me. So I want you to also try it if you want to share some kilos like I am doing. So these are my basic ingredients. I need some green tea. You can use any green tea of your choice, but I love using 20s. Some honey, turmeric powder, and some lemon. So to begin with, I brew my green tea with hot water. And then I add the remaining ingredients to it, one after the other. Turmeric helps in digestion, and then it burns fats. So if you want to lose some weight, you need to take in more turmeric. That is why I drink this tea as my breakfast every day, and it has really helped me. So I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. You can see I just love my honey bottle. So handy. Rainforest honey is the best. So I add 1.5 teaspoon of honey to it. You can also choose to add ginger. It's also accepted. Then my lemons. And that's all. So please try this. This is tried and tested. It has really worked for me, and I know it will work for you. But if you want this to work for you, please give this video a thumbs up by clicking on the like button. Thank you guys. I love you. So until we meet in our next video, God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.